Understanding, gently fold, a simple guide to English cooking terms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific and interesting phrase often used in cooking: gently fold. Understanding this term will not only improve your English skills but also your cooking knowledge. Let's dive in. Gently fold is a culinary term used in recipes, especially when combining ingredients that you don't want to mix too vigorously. To gently fold means to combine delicate ingredients together with care, so as not to deflate or destroy their texture. This technique is commonly used in baking, for instance, when incorporating beaten egg whites into a cake batter. The word gently in this context is crucial. It implies a soft, careful, and deliberate action. When you fold ingredients gently, you're being cautious not to overmix or apply too much force, which could ruin the consistency of your dish. It's all about preserving the airiness or lightness of the mixture. To fold, you typically use a spatula or a large spoon. The process involves 1. Cutting through the mixture with the edge of the tool. 2. Bringing the portion of the mixture at the bottom of the bowl up and over the top. 3. Turning the bowl slightly and repeating this process until the ingredients are combined. Let's look at some common scenarios where you'd need to gently fold ingredients. Adding fruit to a muffin batter. Combining chocolate chips into cookie dough. Incorporating whipped cream into a dessert mixture. And that's all there is to it. Understanding terms like gently fold can enhance both your cooking and English skills. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Happy cooking and learning!